What's up guys, this is just a quick video on how to install the Cali raised LED fog lights. First you remove the bracket around the stock fog light. After that you will remove the Phillips head screw from the back of the stock fog light. After removing the stock fog light assembly, you need to install the Cali raised pod light into the provided fog light bracket. As you can see in the video, I used the bracket and pressed it against the plastic to see where I needed to drill my hole. Now you will be able to install the wiring harness provided and press your fog light bracket into place. Then install the nut on the back of the fog light bracket. After that installation is complete, it's that easy. I just want to say thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Thank you.